Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Do you want to minimize distractions and stay productive on your Android phone? In this video, I will show you how to set focus mode on your Android phone. Focus mode helps you pause apps that distract you to concentrate on matters on what matters most, even if or whether it's study, work, or personal time. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. We will go to settings as you see, and you will click here. In this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of digital well-being and parental controls. You will click here. Then in this page you will find this window of focus mode. You will click on it like this. After that, here in this page you will find modes and routines. You will find sleep, theater, driving, exercise, relax, work, or anything you want. For example, if you want to add focus mode on work, you will go to this window of work. You click here. You will find here stay focused on work by only allowing essential notifications. You can turn on work mode automatically when you arrive at your workplace, and you will click on start. When you click on start, you can choose if you want place or time period. For example, time period here. You can set your time period sunrise until sunset, for example. You click turn on, and as you see here, you can choose location. You can enable it, and when you click here, you can choose the day that you want to focus mode on work, for example all the week. And then we can click on every day here, and then we click on done as you see, and then we click on next. You will find here use do not disturb to avoid distractions in this mode, and you can click here to choose do not disturb. You can choose which apps you don't want disturb you or distract you. For example, calls and messages, you can allow them here, all messages all, or just contacts only, whatever you want. Then here also apps notifications, you can allow them. You can choose any apps notifications that you don't want to disturb you. For example, here you can choose Instagram, you can choose WhatsApp like this, or if you want to select all of these applications. So we will choose just Instagram and WhatsApp like this. Then we click on done. When you choose this, you will click on done here, and finally you can choose here what to do in work mode: sound mode and volume, power saving, open an app, or do an app action. You can choose whatever you want. For example, power saving, you can click done. You click here done again. So in that way here you can know how to set focus mode. You can also, if you don't want these things here, you can add your own focus mode. For example, add mode here. You can set the name of mode name, for example study, like this. You can choose the color that you want here. You can choose also the emoji, for example this book, and here you can click on done, and you can do the same thing here, turn on automatically when to start this mode. Here stay focused, ways to avoid distractions, other actions, more actions for this mode, and finally you can click here to turn on this mode as you see. So it will be turned on or enabled here study mode. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video and if this video helped you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.